Our systems feel to our young people often like an assault on their culture and way of being. And when people feel assaulted, what happens? They fight back or they run away. It's fight, flight, freeze, fawn, right? So what is truancy? And that's a flight response. What are discipline problems? That's a fight response. What are the Native kids doing talking to one another in the school lunchroom instead of integrating with everyone else? And that's a freeze or a fawn response, depending on context. It's humans. Humans are complex. It's not that simple, but these are drivers for the issues we are navigating today.